This one's the X.
Okay, so you want to go to global rather than I was
Yeah, I'd
yeah.
rather have them global.
Okay.
Yes.
So just number that, and we'll go to a different page. So that's it. That's an interest essentially. So go to 12, and we'll go to global. We're not going to need that again.
So we're not using this notation here.
Don't use that notation. No. So what we're saying is that FP
That's
motor
this
F motor
one.
X is a positive in
Yes.
a positive X direction.
If we want
I think we
positive
can
to
still
Y.
we can still use Y here, FPY and FPX, without saying that this is a variable.
Okay.
It doesn't indicate the right direction of the force.
Yeah, I just was saying,
Yeah,
take
if
this
that's
notation as opposed to a global meaning of X and Y.
yeah. Just we have to make sure we're
Okay.
aware that
Yes,
the direction
yes,
is.
yes.
Are these acting in the right direction? Yeah, so that's acting
Yeah,
across.
that's the we just should Y this one.
Are you correct on this?
It's a phone call for you.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, stop that.
Just add minus for the direction when we do
That's
Okay,
for fine.
sorry.
That's fine. We just assume X is here, X is here, and Y is here.
Yeah.
Y is here. Make sure it's
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Y. So X will be.
Okay, so now it's
So do
FPX. Yeah.
Yes.
Let's
Here
draw
will
that.
be.
you want to draw the free body diagram of the shaft? Put those on. I think that might be.
Which one? This.
This.
Just a free body diagram, just draw the shaft essentially in isolation.
Okay.
And we'll actually say which way the forces act, and we'll, because then we can, you actually be able to give it direction.
Drawing.
Okay.
So,
I think it's better just like this one, and then you give sharp to direction will be better.
that might actually be easier.
My bad drawing.
No, that's fine. Okay. Should we start 12 again? Or should
Just draw, yeah.
Yeah, just draw like this one, and then.
yeah, essentially what we're doing is we're saying at the motor pulley, okay, we have an X and a Y. For this is our,
Y is here.
sorry, we're going the other way.
Yes.
We agreed on that, did we?
Yes.
Okay, so we have,
And then just like here, we go to this point. Okay.
yeah, exactly the centre point.
Yeah.
So what we're saying is we have FMX and FMY. But when we look at the other pulley, if we're using the same axes, okay, what we'll actually have is that
Yeah.
when we find where it acts, we'll actually find that FPX is actually in the negative Y direction, okay? And if we're saying that the other force is acting inwards in, sorry, actually acting outwards in that direction, that's actually acting along the X direction, yeah?
Yeah.
As we look at it, yeah?
This direction is X.
This direction is X, yeah,
Yes.
so that's X, so that's there,
Yeah.
and that's Y,
Yeah.
positive.
So this is also positive, isn't it?
Y
the
is
tension's put in that
positive,
direction,
but,
so so it's a positive X, yeah?
Positive X.
So
Yes.
that's actually FPY. If we just if we're not
Yeah.
taking X and Y
Yeah.
as directions.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we end up with is say that so FPX is actually in the negative Y direction. And FPY is in the positive X direction.
Do you think X is
We should have
positive?
used, sorry, we should have used
Yeah.
horrible.
Do you think X is positive?
Can we not just say this is FPX and this is FPY?
If you're happy doing that, that's fair
And
enough.
then we can, yeah.
But
Okay.
if we
So
assume
then
that-
it will be positive then.
Okay.
no, it's like for example, when you're turning this way, this will turn this way. It's turn this way.
So your force
we
is
will
this.
have
So the tension,
what
if you
is
turn that way, the
tension?
tension
Yeah.
is actually in this.
yes.
The tension is in here,
It's
but the
here.
tension actually acts backwards.
It's
Yeah.
upwards,
The
right?
tension acts inwards, because it's
Yeah.
in tension, not compression.
Yeah.
So it acts
Okay.
inwards. So your forces are actually, you have
Yes,
one force,
forward, yes, this one.
one force in this
Yeah.
direction and one force in this direction.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So
your
that's
Y
actually,
direction will be negative.
yeah. So you, but that, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
So FPY is actually, when you work it out, don't.
Yeah.
If-
Well, it would. Yeah. Well, work it out. The positive one becomes negative FPY if we follow this global.
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
So should we work that out?
Yeah.
You don't.
I can't draw.
Just like,
We don't
this
need to,
like this
If
one.
we're happy with, yeah.
that's where we were.
Can
So
we
we go
just
back
continue
to
follow
with
this
that?
one?
Yeah.
No, the
Calculation.
Yeah, just follow the similar
That's
calculation.
right. Yeah. So, if I just draw something, do you want me to put a line in that direction?
Right. I think this, can you just for the sake of this, mate, mate, just for the sake of this, could you just put FMH
Why?
and FMV?
Oh, B.
Just horizontal and vertical because it's confusing. Work it out and then say which direction it actually acts.
Okay.
Okay.
Horizontal and vertical, right?
Mm-hmm.
So axis
Yeah,
horizontal.
that's what he makes sense, I think.
Yeah,
So it's
it
what we should have done
makes
first.
sense.
So I made a suggestion. I said no.
No, I suggested without any basis anyway. Okay,
So that's
now it's FPH. Right.
Which one? H is 23. H is
I should draw it this way actually, I think. Because that is like this angle. X, Y that way.
just resolve.
I just resolve it, yeah.
Yeah,
because
just
Sorry,
just
yeah.
like
Look
this.
at
the
Me,
direction,
So
me,
you
if
can
like
actually-
here, it
you're
will be
actually
easy.
writing on the
Like
pump
this,
thing there, that's the pump, not the motor.
Me,
that's sorry.
yeah.
So it's
Like
like
this
that.
one is H. This one is V. I think
I
it's
think we're
fine.
fine. I think
Yeah.
we're fine.
Fine.
FPH equals to FP cos.
I see. Yeah. I don't see.
Try it first.
Mm.
So what's FP? Cos. That's part of us, right?
Yeah.
5389.3 cos theta 2, which is
14.8.
14.8 degrees. Five two 1 0.5 newtons. We can work out where it exits actually. So theta 2, okay, 5389.3 sine 14.8 degrees. Okay, 13767 Newton. Okay, now we can after this one. Should we draw that force
I think H could be.
in the shaft?
So if we think of the direction everything acts, in terms of FPH,
Yeah.
the horizontal is actually acting in a minus y.
Yeah, minus one. If you
Minus
like
one,
y
yeah.
is one, yeah. Because it will be positive.
So it's, where do I draw it? Do we want to draw a three-body diagram?
Okay, yeah, because we have to look at the configurations. If we take it x and y directions, global x and y, then we can put what they actually mean, okay? So
Yeah.
just draw a straight line and then just draw what acts on it.
Okay, a straight line. Now it's
Look at this in the x direction,
x direction.
on the x-axis, okay?
Forces in the x direction, yeah?
Yeah. So now if we take, so we do need
Yeah.
the actual geometry,
The layout.
yeah, just up there, sorry. We just need the geometry. So we have the pump pulley is, we can put them at two different places. So should we try all feasible combinations?
We need to choose the layout first.
The layout, yeah, because we can have multiple layouts.
Yes, which layout will
Yeah, think about what's being suggested.
is it
Okay, you have them there. I think we have them here.
is it? Yeah, that's right.
Okay.